We know we're in the middle of a global pandemic, and there are much more important things in life than football, and especially for a football team that is thousands of miles away from our reality. But all of that aside, I wonder if you all realize how salt Liverpool is. I mean, what are the odds that the season when Liverpool was sure to break our 30-year league title drought, it looked like the world ought to come to an end with the rest just 2 wins away from the promised land? What were the odds of that happening? That is not the normal level of sadness. Of course, we are hearing all kinds of theories and suggestions as to how the season should end. But let us say no more football is played for the rest of the season, and then find a formula to give Liverpool the title. You still go here, so we never really win it, and we could have still lose it and blah, blah, blah. And if they call it off null and void, that's worse, because they're not going to give it the title. May I tell you, say, people all over the world are suffering. Families are being torn apart. The future of the world is unclear. But Liverpool fans are suffer even more. But let me say this. Manchester United will be strong. Yes. No team cannot solve so in a football. But remember me, I tell you, say God not sleep. Yes, man. Father God not sleep. Yes, yes. And if he must sleep, me I wake him. Wake up, Father God, when the season starts, man.